So for home insurance, if you bundle your car and your home together, you get a discounted rate with any company. So if you have your car at one place and your home at another place, you're probably not saving what you can save. The other thing you want to check on insurance is, do you have flood insurance, opportunity to get coverage for like water backup in your basement? Again, the bundling is one of the best ways to save. But the other thing is, if you're with a standalone provider, let's say for State Farm or Allstate, their rates are their rates, and you'll get a notice that the rate went up and there's nothing you can do. You either need to shop that around yourself and go to, different vendors that are standalone, or you can go to like a broker who will shop around everywhere basically for you. So if you're not looking at it and understanding your insurance, and again, I don't enjoy insurance like shopping. I don't. I feel like it's almost like going to the dentist for me, but it's something I do every year with my agent because insurance costs have risen so much. I'm trying to just keep it in a more affordable category for myself personally on my homes. I feel a lot of my clients are starting to reach out to me and say, hey, my escrow adjusted on my mortgage statement because my taxes went up, my insurance went up. That happens every year. You could have a fixed 30-year rate, but if your taxes and insurance go up, your escrow goes up. You got to make up for the shortage and you got to put the new amount into your escrow. So always checking your insurance. Are you shopping it around? Do you have the right coverage? Like, are you over covered? I had a woman who her house was insured for $1 million and it was a $600,000 rebuild. She was overinsured, so we helped her save. So there's a lot of opportunities to save. If you have questions, obviously you can always email, reach out to me, DM me. Happy to help, even take a look at it for you. And I have a lot of great referral partners that can help you with your insurance needs. Remember, I'm here for all your mortgage needs. While I do renovation lending, I also do move-in ready. So if you're unsure whether you want to get a fixer-upper or a move-in ready, I can handle both. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more news, market updates, and opportunities to save money.